Here's the fifth and final question of this assessment. It's a trig question, so the first thing I do is label my triangle. I've got op, hypotenuse, the longest side, and then the adjacent. I then write out SOHCAHTOA, so SOHCAHTOA. I then tick the sides I know about, which are the opposite and the hypotenuse. So it's a so this is sine angle is equal to op over hyp. And then sub my numbers in. Got sine of x, the angle is called x, the opposite is 830, and the hypotenuse is 7,200. So this is a sine question, so what I need to do is put inverse sine, brackets 830 over 7,200, and then in my calculator I press shift or second sine, then brackets 830 divided by 7,200, close brackets, and if I put that in my calculator, that equals 6.6 degrees to the nearest one decimal place. Right, part B. For the ramp to be safe for wheelchair users, the angle X should be between 5 and 7 degrees. Is the ramp suitable for wheelchair users? Well, the short answer is yes. Now that won't give me the mark though. It's yes, as 6.6 is between 5 and 7 degrees. That will get me the marks. Make sure you write it.